Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In this video, I'll show you how to see archived chats in WhatsApp on Android. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Once you're inside, tap on the Chats tab near the top of the screen. Step 2. If a conversation is open, simply hit the back button to return to the main chat screen. Step 3. Now, scroll all the way down to the bottom of your chat inbox. Here, you'll see an option labeled Archived Chats. Step 4. Tap on Archived Chats, and you'll find all the chats you've previously archived. You can scroll through the list and tap on any chat to open it. Step 5. If you want to unarchive a chat, tap and hold on the chat you want to bring back. A menu will appear, just select Unarchive, and the chat will move back to your main chat list. That's it. Now you know how to access and manage your archived chats in WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.